am in the kitchen of my client's Palm Beach Gardens home in Frenchman's Creek, and you can see it's still a white box, but things are getting done. I'm in love with these custom light fixtures that we decided upon, and if you take a look over here, we have a runner and the colors are just perfect. And this was actually a runner that was a remnant from the carpet for the upstairs level because it was a subfloor and we weren't putting wood floors in there. So Big Island still needs stools, still need everything. But I wanted to focus a little bit on the color story of the blues and the grays and the whites. And I found this incredible tile, and I love the way it's accented in the backsplash. It has different textures, it's got metal, it's got glass, it's got stone, natural stone, marbles, and quartz. And it really works well with this countertop, which is also a quartz, and it was a brand new quartz that we found that has a little bit more movement in it, but not too much movement. So I love a double oven. Here we've got wood, we've got a steam oven, and also a regular oven, convection. And then they also have a microwave inside of the island that is a push out drawer microwave. And the kitchen's coming along. Supply chain continues to be our enemy. We are still waiting for the Sub-Zero fridge freezer. It's now been on order for over a year. Hard to believe, but thank God this is not their main residence. The clients should be taking ownership, moving in soon. We have furniture on order, but so much more to do. And I'm looking forward to sharing the journey with you. Ciao. Hi everyone. I am here in one of 6 bathrooms at our Palm Beach Gardens residence. And this is an ensuite to a guest room on the first level. It's the smallest of the bathrooms that we designed here, except for the powder room. But we had some fun. We did a tile backsplash in an Asian statuary, and it's a mini brick, but we ran it vertically. And we ended it with a really great Schluter that picks up the polished chrome everywhere else, our hotel towel bar, because there was really no room with a pocket door for us to do a rope hook. So we did that, and we're also getting a rope hook clip that goes right onto the shower glass, which I love. I have them in my own place and in other clients. So here, talk about supply chain. So this Asian statuary, we ordered thousands of square feet of it for different places within the home. And it got back ordered, and they could only deliver a certain amount of it. So we had to figure out how we were going to use it, what we were going to do. And in this bathroom, what we ended up doing is we put it here as a feature for the shower pipe. This is a shower pipe, it's really great. And then we had this really great tile for the walls. And then we also used the Asian statuary on the back side of the bench. And then I found this great hex, which had all of the different tones of grays and whites that were in everything else. And it was like, mwah, magic. We were able to solve this dilemma, and the client was really happy about it, and all is good with the world. So whenever life hands you lemons, you make lemonade, or you find a tile that will work just as well as what you originally spec'd. Until next time, ciao. Hi everyone. This is our dining area for when the client does Thanksgiving or Passover. This table is 60 inches, but it has a mechanism that swivels and opens it up so that we can seat an additional 3 people or 4 people if they're not huge. And I wanted to focus here. They put in an electrical socket in the ceiling here, a J-box. And we had to find something that wasn't going to distract from everything else that we did, which was very clean and simple. And I still wanted it to feel like an art piece. So I found this, which reminded me of Foscarini. And I absolutely love the way all of these little petals came together. And when it's off, it's just as beautiful as when it's on. And I love that. So even when you have a very small space, you've got to think about what's the traffic pattern. And my clients are not small people. She's 5'9", he's 6'3", and all the kids are 6'3", 6'4". They're giants for me, a vertically challenged person. So we had to find chairs that had high backs, that were comfortable, that also had a performance fabric because both of their children now have babies. So we had to think about that too, and the growing family. And then this pathway to the master suite is also important. So that is a little glimpse of what we've done thus far, and I can't wait to show you more next time. Ciao. Hello, welcome to what I call the messy kitchen, and what they're calling a den. I don't know, it's a messy kitchen. Anyway, this is going out to the cabana and a covered porch where they're going to entertain for the pool. And I think if it's also going to be a room where they may put a playpen in here when the babies arrive, the grandkids, that this glass should be frosted. And that is an idea that they love because it will allow them to have privacy but still give reflection, and it'll create a little bit more of a separation of space. So we also put in a beverage center here, and we're going to have a very small fridge on the other side of the room. They've got a great pantry for snacks, sink with a window that they can pass through outside, and double slider doors. And the cabinetry matches what we did in the kitchen, but we did a different backsplash in here. So it is coming together. I can't wait to give them a little bit more furnishings and artwork and make this place really sing and become a home. Until then, I wish you a great weekend.